Hey guys, today we're going to go through some January hits and misses. I feel like this is such an old school video. I don't think I've filmed one of these for, I don't know, a long time. But I've noticed that lately I love watching like makeup tutorials and all that stuff. But I also just love, I also just dropped my cup on the ground. Oh my god, and not on my brushes. And literally, what even just happened? Anyway, back to what I was saying. I've noticed that like I have really been enjoying like sit down kind of chatty videos. So let's get into it. Oh my goodness, okay. So let's go for the things I've been liking first. Okay, so my mum gave me this end of last year or start of the year or whatever. And this is from Milkshake. This is the leave-in conditioner. And you can see that I've used like a fair bit of it already, like because I've only had it for like a month. First things first, this smells like so good that I could literally drink it. Like it kind of smells like a vanilla milkshake, honestly, but like subtle. Anyway, I don't know if like it's placebo effect or what the go is, but I swear ever since using it my hair has felt so much nicer. And like I feel like I go longer between washes and stuff, like because it's not getting as like gross and like I don't know, I really like it. So what I do is like I spray it in like every day or every couple of days or whatever, and then like I just feel like it helps keep my hair like less tangled and just feeling nicer and cleaner, and I don't know, I just really love it. It says it's specifically formulated to condition untreated or slightly dry hair. It's the ideal product to balance moisture in hair, giving protection and greater manageability to damaged hair after applying rinse conditioners or treatments. Contains milk proteins, fruit extracts, hydrating and conditioning agents that revitalize and give shine and manageability to hair, and Integrity 41, which gives greater color stability. But yeah, I don't know. I've really been enjoying that. Also on hair care, these two have been amazing. So first, I'll talk about this one. I got this one out of an advent calendar. This is the Christophe Robin Scrub Levant Purifiant. It's the cleansing purifying scrub with sea salt, and it says it's a soothing detox treatment shampoo. And yeah, I don't know, I just absolutely love this. I feel like ever since using this, like I've used it maybe like once or twice. No, I've used it like, sorry, 2 or 3 times, but like I can literally see the difference as soon as I use it. My hair is just like, it's literally transformed my hair. And it's the same with this one as well. This is the Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliating Shampoo. It's just like, I've never had a scalp scrub before, and these two have just been like a godsend. Like I feel like my hair has never been cleaner or healthier. Like I literally am, I don't know what I'm doing right, but it's working. Like it's so good. The only thing about this one, my only critique about this one is it's charcoal and coconut oil, and when you're in the shower with the steam, sometimes the scent, because it gets carried like in the steam, like it like makes my eyes like water, because it's like the steam like intensifies it, and like my eyes are sensitive and it like makes my eyes water. That's my only critique about this, and sometimes it's really hard. So I'm like washing my hair and like I'm trying to like close my eyes so the steam and stuff isn't getting in there, and then like I've got to like wipe them with a towel or whatever. But yeah, apart from that, I have loved these so much. They have been so amazing. Also, this will be my last hair product, but something I've also been loving is I got this from Goldwell. This is the Just Smooth Protect and Shine spray. So this like is good for like humidity and stuff, and like freeze and all that kind of stuff, and I've been loving this. I feel like this is almost empty. You can't see, but I feel like I would have used about half. One, smells amazing, and yeah, so when I finish my hair and like I'm going out for the day or whatever, I'll just spray this around, and yeah, it has made a difference. I just got fake blood all over it. God. I still have like a bit of like humidity and frizz and stuff, like I'm always going to, because that my hair is just so naturally curly, it's insane, and naturally frizzy and stuff, but I feel like this helps at least, and yeah, I have really been loving it. Okay, that's it for hair. This shower gel I have been absolutely loving, and I'm so sad because it was limited edition This is the or the Super Mario Bros. Movie collab that Lush came out with. And this is the Mario Shower Gel, and it says it's a blend of lime, black pepper, and pomegranate juice. But it smells like cola, like... Oh... It smells like a Chupa Chup, like cola lollipop. Oh, it's so good. I love it. I absolutely love this. I'm so sad because we're like halfway through it. In saying that, I do have another small one, because what happened was I originally ordered the collection and got the small one and then smelt it, and it smelled so incredible that I went back and ordered the big one. So I do still have another... This is 295 grams. I've still got another 100 grams of this. But yeah, when I use this up, I'm going to be devastated because I love it. Something else I've been loving this month. I mean, this isn't just this month. I've been loving this for a long time, but I ran out of it for a while, and then I bought it when we went to Melbourne in like at the end of September, and then like I only have just started using it again. But this is the Kayali vanilla perfume. You can see that I feel like I've already used a fair bit. Like this is so good. Oh, just I'm really bad with like scent descriptions and stuff, but it's just, let me see if I can find it on Sephora. It is expensive as well. I have the... Why does it not tell me what size it is? I must have the 50ml? Yeah, 50ml, because this is $169, which is very expensive for me. So yeah, this is expensive. So I spent $169 on this. But, oh, what was I going to do? I was going to read the notes, wasn't I? I feel like it must be like their most popular one though, because it seems to be one of their most expensive as well. So, alright, it says its fragrance family is warm and spicy. It says a decadent fragrance inspired by the rich heritage and sophistication of the Middle East. Okay. I hate reading up fragrances, I honestly do. Okay. This refined fragrance will captivate your senses with their blend of creamy jasmine and rich Madagascan vanilla orchid. The sweet softness of Brazilian tonka is beautifully balanced by oriental notes of musk, amber, patchouli, and brown sugar in this rich, deep scent. Handcrafted in France, the Kayali collection is imagined by Huda and Mona Catton to reflect the limitless possibilities of your desires. But yeah, I love this scent so much. I just think it's so nice. One of the best scents I've ever smelled. I really want to get into some more Kayali perfumes, but yeah, obsessed. Love it so much. Alright. Something else I've been loving this month. I started using these this month, like try them out for the first time. This is the Glamlight and Scooby-Doo little like lip care duo. So we have a they're called the Scooby Snack Lip Scrubs and the Scooby Snack Lip Sleeping Mask, but these taste incredible. Oh, I would eat this whole jar. I would. Oh, it smells like butter and like it smells like cookie dough or something. I don't know. It's just so warm and yummy, and I'm just obsessed. I love it. And then we also have the little lip sleeping mask, which this one has less of like a fragrance, but oh, it's like a lot more subtle, but yeah, obsessed. I just love those. And I really like the formulas as well. Like they both feel really, really nice on the mouth, lips. I don't know, you know. And here's just a little close-up of the mouth. I feel like they're really cute. Alright, let's get on to the misses of the collection. This one is in both categories. This is from Rituals. This is the Ritual of, I can't say it, Ayurveda. I don't know. Anyway, it's the Rejuvenating Body Scrub with Punjabi pink salt and sweet almond. Okay, this is like the most rich luxe body scrub that I've ever tried. It smells so good and makes me feel like I'm at a salon. Like, I feel like when I put this on, like in the shower, like, I don't know, it's like the whole world slips away. Like, I'm not even exaggerating. Like, this makes me feel like I'm at a spa or something. It's incredible. But it does the same thing as the Briogeo. The oils in this, like, mixed in with the steam, and, like, it stings my eyes to, like, absolute hell. Like, it hurts. Like, it physically hurts my eyes to use this. So, I mean, like, such a catch-22 because I absolutely love the product. It's a body scrub, and then when you put it on and like it mixes with the water, it turns into like an oil, and it's just so nice and so luxe and feels absolutely amazing. But I just cannot get over it stinging my eyes. Like, it's just crazy. Like, yeah, so you can see I've almost used the whole thing, but I've been put off using it because, I swear it gets worse every time. It just hurts so bad. So yeah, that's like my hit and miss. Like, I love it, but I'm also just like in pain every time I use it. My other miss, this one isn't too bad, but it's just not my favourite. This is the Mecca Cosmetica Nourishing Cleansing Oil. I got this in like a beauty loop or something. I can't remember, but yeah, I've been using it. I'm trying to see, like, I hate products like this where you can't see how much you've used. Oh my god, I still have so much of it to use. I've just held it up to the light. It's up to about there. It's alright. It's just no Clinique Take Off the Day Balm. So I feel like I'm scrubbing my makeup off, which is annoying. But yeah, I'm trying to use it up so that I can get into I have some more like cleansing oils and like cleansing balms and stuff to try out. It's alright, it's just not my favourite. I'm definitely not going to buy it when I'm done with it. Like, I'm not going to repurchase it. I didn't buy it in the first place. I got it in Beauty Loop. But you know what I mean? I wouldn't pick this up again. So, that's alright. Then the last thing. Okay. This is the First Aid Beauty Bumper Razor Body Scrub. This is completely my fault. But I kind of thought, I don't know what I thought. Like, I should have probably known that this was a bit more like, it's called like the KP Bumper Razor, and like KP I'm pretty sure is like a skin condition or something. So I should have probably known that like it was more like, it's not like a aesthetic kind of body scrub. It's more of like a heavy duty, like medicinal kind of body scrub. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like First Aid Beauty aren't really for like, you know, you have like, I feel like fun skincare brands, and then you have like, we mean business skincare brands, and the same with like body care and stuff like that. But anyway, I thought this was just kind of like a normal body scrub, but it's not. So it does have a big thing on the back, and it says, warning, sunburn alert, contains alpha hydroxy acid, AHA, that may increase your skin sensitivity to the sun and the possibility of sunburn. Use a sunscreen and limit sun exposure while using this product, and for a week afterwards. So I used this and I read that in the shower. Oh, that's interesting. The next day I went and stood out in the sun for like 9 hours. And like, it wasn't even like, I wasn't meant to go out in the sun. It just so happened that my brother-in-law was like, oh, can you come and help me out at work tonight? I was like, yeah, okay. And like, I'd had this on the night before and didn't even think. I applied sunscreen twice that day, and I still got one of the worst sunburns that I've ever had in my life. I also feel like I got like minor sunstroke because I was so sick and so unwell. And I think that obviously it was because I had used this the night before. Now, obviously I'm not blaming this product because, like I said, there is a big warning on the back, and I literally read the warning and it just didn't click. But to me, like, I haven't touched it since because, one, I feel like I use body scrubs as kind of like a fun thing. like obviously I do it to get like dead skin and stuff off, but I don't have like KP or anything like that, obviously, and like I don't have any bumps that I'm trying to get rid of. I just do it for kind of like dead skin, and also like it smells nice and feels nice. So yeah, this product is just not for me. I don't know what to do with it. I don't know if I should finish it up. I got this in a in an advent calendar. Oh my god, the lid just rolled under my drawers, so now it's like this. I actually got 2 of them. I actually just put the second one today in a giveaway because I obviously don't want 2 of them. So yeah. Like, yeah, I think it was obviously definitely my fault for doing that. Let's see. So I'm just having a look on Sephora because that's where they sell it. It has pretty good reviews, like 4.4 stars out of 1,791. So yeah, like everyone is saying that they like it and like it's really good and all that stuff. So obviously I think it was just me that mucked up. Maybe I will try it again. I don't know. I've obviously just got to remember that like it's not a fun product. Like it's a, you know, I mean business product. Just want to see what everyone else thinks of it. Yeah, and also like it doesn't have a smell or anything like that. Like I think it is strictly like a product to actually do a job. You know what I mean? I just want to see what the low like reviews say, you know what I mean? Okay, so there's 85 1-star reviews compared to 1,222 5-star reviews. So some people are saying that it made their like bumps and stuff worse. Some people are saying it doesn't smell very nice. Yeah, some people are saying like, you know, it's not good for sensitive skin. And some people are saying like there's not much in the tube and stuff like that. So yeah, but honestly, a lot of the reviews are like really good on it. Yeah, I don't think it's for me. I will probably try it again. To be honest, like I'm probably gonna use the whole tube because I don't have much. This is only a 28 gram tube. I got it in a in like a advent calendar, as I said. So yeah, I don't know, it's just not exactly for me. But anyway, if you haven't tried it, let me know down below what you thought. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.